G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. Now today's video is a special video because one, we hit 500 subscribers last month, and for the last month I've been thinking what should I do for hitting this milestone. Then this thing popped up and I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to do a 500 sub unboxing video. So I'll open up the bag so you guys will know what it is, and then we get to its enclosure in a moment. Now this guy, guys, now it is a stage 1 animal, and don't worry, I do have everything in place for it. So let's get to it. Now it's very different to what I have, even though it's a snake, I'll give you that. But no ordinary snake, guys. This is a very whippy brown tree snake. Now it is a stage 1 animal, so I can keep it. It is a colubrid, refanged, venomous snake, only mildly, so I'm all good. Now, this guy here will probably take, I believe, fuzzy mice, and here's the main thing, guys, we need a name for him. So leave suggestions in the comments down below. At the moment I'm thinking Fang, but you guys might have something a bit better. So I hope you guys actually like this new snake, something very different and very cool. So when I saw this guy, I couldn't say no to him, so I decided to pick him up today, or today's Monday. So very cool snake, and we get to see him more in the future as he grows. So I'll show you his enclosure in a second, guys, and we'll put him in there. So here's the setup I have set up for this brown tree snake, who we need a name. So next weekend, or this weekend coming, I will announce his name on Instagram. So he's housed in a 1 foot zoom in enclosure. So in the enclosure we have a couple sticks for him to climb on. We have his hide. We have a heat mat with paper towel and the aspen snake bedding as his substrate. We have a water bowl and a rock in there. And his heat mat gets about 30 degrees Celsius. We'll put him in and see how he goes. Alright, we'll go let him in and hopefully he enjoys his new house. Here you go, buddy. So we do need a name for this guy, guys, as I said before. In you get, buddy. Now, I'll give him a week to settle in before I'll probably offer him something. There you go. He's found his hide already. I'll move that out a bit so he can get in. So that's really about today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really do hope you guys like this new addition, because I'm certainly enjoying him already. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in another video.